Editing and creating this aesthetically pleasing intro video for any of your content is actually really easy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. If you'd like, be sure to grab your intro template down below. It'll be linked in the description box. And there's also a code for you, a little secret code you can use on my Etsy to save 10% off. Without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. This is what your screen should look like as soon as you open your template, and this is the intro. You can edit the animation if you want, but the animation settings should already be done for you. What I always recommend, and I say this in every single one of my videos, is to show all layers. You right click on any element, go to layers, go to show all layers, and it will show you everything that is on the screen and allows you to select certain elements that you want to move around or delete instead of going through the trouble of trying to select an element that is in the background with foreground elements blocking it. At the bottom here, you can set the duration of your video, so you can make it longer or shorter, as well as the duration of each element. You can make each element show up longer or show up later in the video. You can also move the horizontal line if you want more of the elements to show at the bottom, or if you want the preview to be bigger. I recommend that your intro is short and not too long, because if you're taking too long to start the video, it's more likely that your viewers would scroll away or skip. The templates as well as the elements on Canva are actually 100% customizable when it comes to colors. All you have to do is click your element. At the top toolbar, it should have a little color button. You click that and then you can change the color from there. You can use this if purple is in your color but you like the layout of this design, or if you have certain content branding colors, you can implement that into your intro. The colors are also not limited to what you see on the palette here. You can choose your custom colors if you'd like. You just have to go back onto the main tab, scroll all the way up, and there is a little rainbow button with a plus on it. You click that and you can choose your colors from that tab. This applies to every other element within the template. It does not only apply to just the letters. This is an example. I chose this flower bush, and the toolbar and the color toolbar popped up at the top, and I can make it pink, I can make it blue, I can make it purple again, or even green. Just play around with it and see what you think looks best for your channel. If for some reason you click on an element to change the color and the little color option does not pop up at the top toolbar, you click edit and then you click adjust. So the edit button is at the top toolbar where the other color options were. You click adjust and then you scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down or click adjust, the color button should already pop up. You can either choose your color from there or go back to the adjust settings and choose it from there. Both works. It's really up to you, but this is how I navigate to it if it doesn't pop up. To change the animation style of the template, it is super easy. You click animate, and to make things more efficient, I would recommend you click on page instead of photo, because if you click on page animation, it will animate the entire video for you instead of you having to click each element one by one. You can just hover over each of the different animations and see which one you like best. Once you click it, it'll set it for you and you are good to go. Now for the part that I feel like most people struggle with is to find these same letters. A lot of people get the idea that the letters that are on here are a text box and that you can just erase it and type whatever you want as if it was a text box, but it is actually an element. The 3D letters are an element, so you want to right click on the letter, click on see more like this, and at the left hand side where all of your tools are, you should see a bunch of letters in the same style for you to find and spell out your name or whatever it is you want to put in your intro. Don't worry if you can't find the same color, because you can use the same trick that we used before where we picked our custom color to change the color of the letters to be colors you want. I personally didn't feel like doing that, so I just looked around for the purple letters to make things easier. If you right click on one of the letters, it will give you an option that says see more like this as well, and you can go from there, or you can just continue going back and forth. You finish picking your letters and deleted my name, you just move them around to spell out what you want to spell out, and you can even put them at an angle, have them in a zigzag. Just play around with it and see what you like best. After you finish everything, you are all done and you have a brand new intro. The best part about these templates are they are 100% reusable. You can change it up. You can add elements, you can change the colors, have it a different color every day or every upload. And in my opinion, it's one of the easiest ways to upgrade your videos and add something fun. If you enjoyed this tutorial and thought it was helpful, be sure to give this video a like as well as subscribe for some more easy tutorials to upgrade your content. Also, comment down below what other tutorials you'd like to see or what kind of videos you'd like to see. And take advantage of that secret code that you have and grab yourself some new intro templates to get your content creation journey up and rolling.